Hey guys, welcome back to Columbia Speaks. Today we're playing a game called Are You Smart?
Good day. I am a human named Nikki Johnston.
Hi, I'm Isaac. That's all.
Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm a sophomore.
Hi, I'm Tess, and I'm a junior.
Peter, I'm a junior.
And how this is going to work is every question you get right, you get a point, and at the end, the prize is a $5 gift card.
So without further ado, Nikki, what does the first A stand for in NASA?
Aeronautics?
Yes, good job. What president is on the dime?
I think it's
Okay, time.
Harry Truman.
Nope.
I guess and say Thomas Jefferson.
Was he a president?
Yes.
Sorry, I was thinking of Thomas Edison. I'm sorry. Okay, next.
Lyndon B. Johnson.
Nope.
Franklin Delano Roosevelt, I think.
Okay, yes, that was the answer.
I literally just spent several days making rubbings of coins, so
When did Columbus come to America?
1492, but it's
Yes.
debatable.
What is the pH level of water? 1 through 10.
10.
Nope.
What is it? Oh wait.
You'll see.
I'm gonna say 7.
Yes.
It gets 1 through 14. It's not 1 through 10.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
I learned that in biology, though. Shout out, Mr. Nugent.
Oh, of course. Always shout out Mr. Newton.
Hope he's watching this. Who starts first in chess?
White.
Yeah.
a test got the easiest question ever. Oh my god.
Isaac, yours was pretty easy. I'd have to say, like, the amount of times you probably touched a dime is crazy, but it's okay. Yeah.
That is true.
What instrument did John Lennon play in the Beatles?
I'm gonna go ahead and let me say guitar.
Yes.
So, in first, we have tied Nikki and Peter. And to break the tie, they both have to call someone who is not in their family and say that they love them. It could be a friend, it could be a cousin, it just can't be someone who lives in your house. Isaac, Charlotte, and Tess are gonna rate how heartfelt it was, and whoever gave the most heartfelt I love you is gonna win.
He's gonna do a really good job.
I love you.
No, it has to be on the phone, like you're calling someone.
That was nice though, Peter.
We love you too, Peter.
Yeah.
No, I did it on the phone. I just called someone.
No, you did
We
not.
do it. Tell us who you're calling. Give us a little bit of.
Oh,
Show us who you're calling.
Hang on.
yeah, I just hung up. It was like about 7 seconds long. Sorry, it's backwards.
I love you. I love you, Isaac. I've always loved you.
Did he hear? I love you. Yeah.
I need to tell you this because
Appreciate it. Thank you.
so much to me, Isaac.
Good luck on
I
your
love
article,
you.
Grandpa.
I love you so
Oh,
much.
you hang up. My grandpa wished me luck on the game show. And my grandpa, I mean, he wasn't actually my grandpa. I just have him as that's his name.
I'm just thank you for letting me say this. I love you, man. I love you.
Fool.
Love you, dude. Okay, I'm
That
done now.
was very beautiful. Both performances, I have to say, I shed a tear. But
Guys, let's check the chat.
yeah, everyone say who you think should.
Oh.
I like that you both have, what are those, aviators on?
Not for long.
Right after he copied my rant spontaneous, I put it on first.
Yeah, well, this is my Venice mask. What is it? Mardi
It's
Gras.
a Mardi Gras mask,
Cool.
bro.
What's better, France or Italy?
I mean, technically Mardi Gras is like New
Louisiana.
Orleans.
It's New Orleans, but
Guys, this
it's
is getting a
French
little bit
influence.
political, I have to say.
You said a little political.
All right, well, what about if
It's
I
falling
put a fedora and a bucket hat on top? And also
I think
aviators.
you won, Nikki. You
Wait, I've got the final piece. Behold, it is I.
That's mine. That's mine. For the record, that is mine. I did handcraft that.
Okay. All right. Enough. Announcing our winner. The winner of this competition goes to Nikki.
I don't think that's true.
Peter.
Congrats.
No, good game. Good game.
Good game.
Yes.
All right. If you found this
Good game, people.
if you found this entertaining at least a little bit, make sure to sign up for the next Columbia Speaks, and we'll put that link into the description. Yeah, Nikki, any last words of the winner?
Trans rights are human rights.